One thing you got to know going in is that sweet potatoes are very, very dense, a lot harder than regular potatoes. So you're going to need to parboil these before you put them on the grill. Par is just short for partially, meaning it's boil them a few minutes to get them soft. So we're talking about 5-10 minutes or so if you wait until the water is boiling before you put them in there. All right, that'll get them soft. You take them out, run them over cold water to stop it from cooking, and then you can chop them up, and I'll show you the rest from here. Let's get it. So after you get them all seasoned up, now it's time to put them on the grill. I put these on the grill after I just taken off some burgers and stuff like that. You really want to do these over direct heat, not indirect, but right over the top of the coal. Fill about a half to a 3/4 full chimney, get those lit, and then dump them out onto your charcoal grate and just kind of spread them out. So after your grill is up to temp, now it's time to put the sweet potato fries on, and we're just gonna put them out, kind of spread them out evenly. Nothing, they don't have to be perfect or anything or all facing the same direction. Just kind of dump them on the grill grate. Spread them out evenly, and from there it's just going to be a process of kind of moving them around, putting the lid on, letting them cook a little bit, taking it off, moving them around, flipping them, seeing what they look like. You're going to have to stay close by on this one because we are cooking over direct heat. This is not something you're going to want to walk away from. What you're looking for is first the appearance that you want. You want some grill marks, you want a little char, but you also are trying to get them tender before you burn them. This one is a quick, easy one. My wife love these. We're gonna be doing them more often. Fun little cook, very unique, man, and way healthier than deep fried French fries. All right, let's run on the grill. Peace.